Hello friends, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Today in this chapter 34 our topic is in English grammar adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe or give more information about a noun or pronoun. They tell us what kind, which one, how many or how much. Examples: a blue sky, the happy children, 3 big dogs. Here we have types of adjectives: descriptive, quantitative, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, distributive, comparative, superlative. Descriptive describe qualities or states. Example: beautiful, tall, smart, happy. Quantitative tell how much or how many, some, many, few, several, two. Demonstrative point out specific things: this, that, these, those. Possessive show possession or ownership: my, your, his, her, their. Interrogative used in questions: which, what, whose. Distributive refer to individual members: each, every, either, neither, or in American English either, neither. Comparative compare two things: bigger, smaller, more beautiful. Superlative compare more than two things: biggest, smallest, most beautiful. Position of adjectives: before the noun, a red car, an interesting book. After linking verbs: be, seem, become. The sky is blue, she seems happy. Here we have table of adjectives of comparison. Degree: positive, comparative, superlative. Description: basic form, positive, basic form. Comparative compare two things. Superlative compare 3 or more things. Positive fast, comparative faster, superlative fastest. Big, bigger, biggest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. How to form degrees of comparison? Here we have table: positive, comparative, superlative. Example sentences: fast, faster, fastest. Large, larger, largest. Big, bigger, biggest. Careful, more careful, most careful. Good, better, best. Now here we have example sentences for you in this table. This car is fast, that car is faster, this is the fastest car. These all 3 comparisons are used here: positive, comparative and superlative. Example sentences: here we have she has a large house, his house is larger, that is the largest house. He has a big dog, her dog is bigger, this is the biggest dog. She is careful, she is more careful than me, she is the most careful driver. This book is good, that book is better, this is the best book. Here we have more examples using these adjectives. The weather is cold today, today is colder than yesterday, this is the coldest day of the year. Positive, comparative and superlative. Example sentences: again here we have positive: she is a happy girl, she is happier than before, she is the happiest person I know. Here we have examples: positive: this is a beautiful painting. Comparative: that painting is more beautiful than this one. Superlative: this is the most beautiful painting in the gallery. Positive: he is a good player. Comparative: she is a better player than him. Superlative: she is the best player on the team. Examples of adjectives: she has a beautiful smile, I need some water, those books belong to him, his idea was great, what time is it, every child must attend school, my house is bigger than yours, that was the most exciting game ever. You have common using adjectives as adverb common mistakes. She sings beautiful, this is incorrect. She sings beautifully, this is correct. More, better, most, fastest, this is wrong. Better, fastest. Here you have exercises. Here you have exercises to do. Up to here 8 numbers. Thank you. See you in the next video.